The Toyota Camry is a mid-size sedan that has earned a reputation for reliability, comfort, and efficiency. Launched in 1982, it has undergone numerous transformations, becoming one of the best-selling cars in the United States. Luxury features. Interior design. The luxury variants of the Camry offer upscale materials and thoughtful design. High-quality leather upholstery, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated atmosphere. Technology. Equipped with advanced infotainment systems, the Camry features a user-friendly touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium audio systems. Higher trims often include navigation and additional connectivity options. Safety features. Toyota prioritizes safety, and luxury models come with advanced safety technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Performance. Luxury trims often feature a more powerful engine option, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The suspension is typically tuned for comfort, enhancing the ride quality. Customization options. Buyers can choose from various luxury packages that add features like heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroofs, and enhanced sound systems. Evolution of the Camry. First generation, 1982 to 1986. Introduced as a compact car, it quickly gained popularity for its reliability. Second generation, 1987 to 1991. Transitioned into a mid-size sedan, expanding its appeal. Third generation, 1992 to 1996. Refined styling and improved performance set the stage for its future success. Fourth generation, 1997 to 2001. Focused on comfort and spaciousness, the Camry started to attract a more upscale audience. Fifth generation, 2002 to 2006. Introduced more luxury features and advanced technology, keeping pace with competitors. Sixth generation, 2007 to 2011. A major redesign with a focus on fuel efficiency and modern amenities. Seventh generation, 2012 to 2017. Emphasized sportiness while maintaining comfort, with a more aggressive design. Eighth generation, 2018 present. The latest models feature cutting-edge technology, hybrid options, and a bold design language. The Toyota Camry, especially in its luxury trims, represents a blend of practicality and sophistication. With a focus on comfort, technology, and safety, it appeals to a wide range of drivers looking for a reliable vehicle without sacrificing style.